Kapoors, are you ready? We're going live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good morning, beautiful people. How are my lovelies doing? It's another new day and another episode of Keeping Up with the Kapoors. Here I am, all ready, set, and fat for the day.
Fat? Did you just say fat? ये हमारे परंपराओं के बिल्कुल खिलाफ है. Health is wealth. Am I right, my fellow Gen Z homies?
Kill me already! Dad, please don't say homies ever again. That's so last season. Gee.
Rohan, fat as in PH80. Pretty hot and tempting.
No. Say it again, but with more cringe.
What's up, fam? Another update on Crazy with the Kapoors. I get out of bed, I wake up, and guess what my dad decides to do? He calls me homie. Like, bro, that's so boring. That's so freaking last season. No cap.
तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो यार? मेरे कोई बारे में कोई सोचता नहीं है क्या? What about my mental health now? My beautiful baby pink aura is gonna go for a toss. I need my Cetaphil.
Oh my god, what are you being so extra about?
देखो
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक से लाइव गॉसिप की एक और चटपटे मसालेदार एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है। आज सबसे पहले शुरुआत करेंगे एक खबर के साथ जो कि बॉलीवुड के महाफ्लॉप फैमिली द कपूर्स के बारे में है। आप लोग उनका झगड़ता हुआ वीडियो ही देख लीजिए।
Okay, we can fix this. Let's just call it a reality TV audition or maybe a cute TikTok dance sort of a thing. Yeah, I don't know. We can do that.
Or just publicly apologize, maybe?
हाँ, एक काम करते हैं, साथ बैठ जाते हैं और बोलते हैं हम साथ हैं.
Or let's just do one thing. Let's just do a real therapy session. No cameras, no hashtags. यार मैं घर पे बुला दूंगी थेरेपिस्ट को और किसी पैप्स का कोई टेंशन भी नहीं रहेगा. It will be like a Kapoor's transformation, Kapoor 2.0. And let's just face it, guys. You need to actually sort your issues out. Wow, I'm a genius.
Hello all of you, I am Dr. Virani and today I will be the one guiding you. Before we begin, I want us to agree on a few rules. First, no phone. Second, no filming. Third, no performances.
What are we, iPad kids? Whatever.
Good, let's begin. So, what is it that you guys would like to address today?
There's nothing that needs to be addressed per se. It was basically a trivial issue. My lovely kids were having a conversation and it got blown out of hand. That's right.
Exactly.
Mom, it was not a conversation. You need to step out of your delusion. It was an argument.
Exactly.
Moreover,
Not even
a
an
fight.
argument. Yeah, it's a fight.
Overreacting. I don't think it was a fight.
We are not overreacting.
But we were just talking.
When do talking? पहली बात तो हम बातचीत नहीं करते. All we talk about is how facts are not a part of
Delusion से बाहर निकलो आप.
Guys,
Just don't.
since some of you all think that you do have a conversation, whereas the others think you all don't, I found a middle way around this. Let's have a conversation now. Yeah?
No way.
I don't think that would make sense.
I need my phone for that.
वो possible ही नहीं हो पाएगा.
Well, let's try then.
पूजा, मेरे दिल में एक जज्बा है. A jazba to connect with my kids, to have a real conversation with them. But these kids, they are always on their phones. I want to talk to them in a real sense, like we used to back in the day, face to face, eye to eye, heart to heart.
Dad, you literally just texted me from the other room last night. What's wrong with you?
But that was strategy, na beta? Efficient communication.
Efficient communication? या फिर we are losing out on the warmness of our wholesome morning routines.
You mean the same morning routines where I pretend to be meditating but I'm actually just napping with my eyes closed?
Or when we make those healthy morning smoothies when it's just colored water for the aesthetics.
Shania, those videos inspire people, okay?
Yeah,
Sure.
they inspire people to believe in fairy tales, not real families.
Aryan, since you're on a roll, why do you go along with all this?
I guess for all the free merch and for the paparazzi of it, and I think just dad unironically saying white check.
I think it's more like feng shui, but for the emotions.
This is exactly the point. Sometimes unplugging is the only way to reconnect, not just with each other but with yourselves. When we are constantly distracted, we miss out on the little moments that create genuine memories.
You know, sometimes I feel, why can't we be real this real all the time? क्यों बार बार phone, camera, filter क्यों चाहिए हमें?
It's true. I think I would like to be more just human.
Yeah, I would prefer that too for us.
Me too, you know. चाहे खुशी हो या गम, फिर भी साथ रहेंगे.
Oh my
हम
god.
साथ हैं after all.
अच्छा था. आगे
I think we really needed that session. It really got our energies back, and it made us realize what we were truly missing.
I agree.
True, very
I think
true.
so too.
What was your main learning, Dad?
I learned the meaning of the word vibe.
Why?
Vibe check.
Now we can use that word.
Check up, you know.
Yes.
Why?
Session with the therapist.
Guys, so no. We've just hit a jackpot. A big TV channel wants to take you guys on air. Can you believe it?
Oh my god, wow!
I think
That's so good.
I think that's a really attractive offer.
Yeah.
I'd rate it a minus. I'm digging this comfy vibe.
Oh my god, why? All the sleepless nights, all the live streams, the dark circles, what's wrong with you, Dad? Your viral workouts. What was all that for? Mom, your social circles, your smoothies. What's wrong with you? This is all we've been working for. Day and night.
It's
Oh
not
my
what
God.
we've been working for, it's
This
what we've
is-
been pretended for. Don't you guys understand how this is a facade that we put up for the society? Dad, come on. Is this what we're really working for? Is this what all your morning workouts are for? Is it not just for your health? Ma, oh, sorry, Mom, because calling you Ma would just make you sound older, right? What are you striving for? Why do compliments from some strangers on social media matter more to you from the compliments you get from your own family for what you cook? And bro, what's wrong with you? Where is our connection? We're supposed to be siblings, right? Guys, why do you all want to abandon our family again? Don't you think that the small intimate dinners that we have like once in a month maybe, and the way you've been helping me with my academics or on the personal front, don't you guys think that that's what matters more than some deal that a TV channel is supposed to be offering? Why do you all want to abandon our family once again just for some paparazzi or some kind of fame?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, my bachas. I'm so sorry. Rohan, I miss us. I miss the real so I can't live like this anymore.
I'm sorry too. I mean, yes, it's my fault too for playing along, but come on, how long?
No, Aryan. I don't think it's your fault. I think it's our fault. IG family को देखते देखते हम real family के बारे में भूल ही गए. I'm so sorry. It's our fault. We are very sorry. I'm sorry, Aryan. We are very sorry.
Hi guys, it's me again and welcome to Keeping It Real with the Kapoors.